Welcome back to All Auto Reviews. Today we're diving into something that's turning a lot of heads on the road. The 2026 School Bus Home Motorhome. At first glance, it may look like a school bus from the outside. But once you step in, you realize it's been transformed into a rolling mansion. This build represents a shift in how people look at motorhomes, where nostalgia meets luxury, and the result is nothing short of impressive. The launch of this unique project was set earlier this year, with a price tag of $1.5 million, and it has sparked conversations everywhere, from camping grounds to city streets. The interior design is the real showstopper. The lounge area feels more like the living room of a luxury penthouse than something on wheels. Plush leather seating, a massive flat screen with surround sound, and a smart control system that manages lighting, temperature, and even privacy glass all come standard. Step further in, and you'll find a fully equipped kitchen, complete with top-end appliances, marble counters, and even a wine cooler. This isn't just a bus converted into a camper. It's a full-scale home that just happens to move with you wherever you go. The bathroom takes things even further, fitted with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and a design that would rival most five-star hotels. For families or traveling groups, the sleeping quarters are designed with both comfort and style in mind. The master suite has a king-size bed, custom cabinetry, and enough storage to feel settled, while the guest rooms manage to balance space efficiency and privacy. The launch date drew quite a crowd, not just automotive enthusiasts, but also families curious about the idea of living and traveling in something like this. The reactions were overwhelmingly positive. People walked through the bus in disbelief, constantly saying it didn't feel like a motorhome at all. Many admitted they expected it to be quirky and cramped, but instead, they were amazed at how spacious and high-end it felt. A few even compared it to private jets in terms of layout and comfort, only with the added benefit of being able to park almost anywhere. One family mentioned that this kind of motorhome could redefine the way they take vacations, turning long road trips into a luxurious adventure instead of a tiring journey. From a technical standpoint, the 2026 School Bus Home Motorhome is no slouch either. Built on a modernized heavy-duty chassis, it's designed for long-haul comfort and safety. The hybrid powertrain offers a balance of performance and efficiency, giving it the ability to cover long distances without guzzling fuel at the rate you'd expect from something this size. The ride itself is smooth, quiet, and surprisingly easy to handle given its dimensions. Safety tech includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and a 360-degree camera system, making maneuvering a lot less stressful than with traditional oversized RVs. Price, of course, is one of the biggest talking points. At $1.5 million, it's far from an option for the average buyer. But this motorhome isn't meant to be average. It's targeted at those who want a statement piece, a home that stands out both in design and lifestyle. For people who value exclusivity, it delivers exactly that. The cost also reflects the craftsmanship and high-end materials used in every detail, something buyers instantly notice when they step inside. In the end, the 2026 School Bus Home Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a vision of travel that combines the charm of a school bus with the comfort of a luxury residence. Whether you're someone who dreams of hitting the road full-time or just wants the most stylish weekend getaway option available, this creation has set a new bar for what's possible. Thanks for joining us here on All Auto Reviews. And if you enjoyed this look at one of the most unique motorhomes of the year, make sure to stay tuned for more deep dives into the future of travel and design.